I want that they'll be in judicial custody. They'll cooperate. You ask them for any time you want to interrogate. You interrogate as much as you want. But in jail custody, they were safe. Then I pick it up. It's a bottle of kerosene. Then they videotape me as I'm walking and I'm protesting.
Don't treat the workers
Yes,
like
yes,
they are not.
They are not workers actually. By
Inspect your officers.
definitely, I will instruct the officers. If something has happened, definitely I will instruct the top.
Has to be,
every human being has to be treated with the dignity. That has to be. I will ensure that.
Wages was supposed to be a peaceful protest.
It was, and I was
But
not
then
even
there
there.
was violence.
There
Yes.
was
They are before the court. They have been placed, produced before the court today.
Both of them are.
Both of them.
Yes.
Why they have got the mask?
right.
Mask. I don't know why they are.
Why did you put mask?
Now they are in judicial custody.
They are in judicial custody.
They are the brother of the petitioner.
Yes, well. Yes, he's safe.
See, we just converted this as like a habeas corpus
Yes.
just to see. Now they are there. The law has to take its course.
I understand that.
Petition now.
I understand that.
What's your name, please?
I understand that. But what has happened is, tomorrow itself, day after tomorrow, they may go into police custody again. Those applications are pending before the magistrate. If I show you the torture, my lady, you might well interfere.
With regard to that torture.
Many. Now, I want to take you through the record. Many, yes. First, my lord, go to the petition. I've given a sequence in which I want to argue. And see page D of the petition. D.
D. Yes.
The entire
Page
issue is now seized up before the learned magistrate. The report has been filed. It is the entire issue.
No, I want to show,
manner
my
also
lord.
law before the concerned
I want to
court.
show how the magistrate knew the injuries were there. Let it go. So I've got that affidavit. I've dealt with it. It'll take a little bit of time, but I'll show.
So are they not now they are in JC. You can apply that.
Have you applied for bail?
Yes.
Yes, it's coming up day after tomorrow. And already, my lord, for Gurgaon, bail has been granted. So our matter is coming up day after tomorrow. But the Haryana police want to take us immediately. And the UP police is asking again.
This occurred in UP.
UP, my lord, UP. But there's one FIR from Haryana. So the Haryana police are waiting in the wings.
Respect of the same incident.
In respect of virtually the same thing, yes. So they are waiting and they've made an application for police.
Workers unrest
Let
in
you tell, I
Gurgaon
don't-
and then in
Yes, my lord.
then in Noida.
Yes, my lord.
Gurgaon.
Gurgaon and Noida both.
But
And the
they-
torture is extensive. I want to show you. They were present in Noida. Yes, my lord. They were present in Noida. But for the Gurgaon incidents, which I think they are linking with the Noida, they are ready to take police custody.
have to see
And it's very severe, the custody.
law has to take its course. Somebody
That's why, my lady, I'm not asking you for, yes, yes,
sitting into motion.
yes, I'm not asking for bail. Bail, I'm going back.
All right.
I wanted only to be prevented from being taken in police custody again.
See, your prayer was in respect of allegations of torture
Yes, ma'am.
and other criminal actions of the respondents.
Yes, ma'am.
Vague disclosure and recoveries. This is the prayer.
Yes,
Now, immediately what we wanted to know,
yes.
whether they can travel from the jail to the court or not, how their physical
That is no problem, my lady. I never made a grievance about that. Yeah.
their physical condition was. We wanted.
Now
to
they've
track-
recovered. It's many days since the beating. Many days. Yes, so there are many days since they got beaten. So now they're not being beaten because of your lordships.
Take the case forward.
I only want to do this. I want that they'll be in judicial custody. They'll cooperate. You ask them for any time you want to interrogate. You interrogate as much as you want. But in jail custody, they were safe. I have set out now in detail how the moment they went to police custody, how the things changed. So I want them to be in jail custody, my lord. I want an independent investigation into, my lord, what the police did with them. Because it's a one-way thing. They are making allegations against me. I face them by the normal procedure. I'll make bail applications. I'll do whatever. I won't ask your lordship for anything on that. But I want my allegations of torture, one, and fake recoveries. They took me out at midnight, take me to the bushes, say, go and pick up the things lying in the bushes. Then I pick it up. It's a bottle of kerosene. Then they videotape me as I'm walking and I'm protesting. It's a very high-handed thing.
Expecting you to talk to your parties.
No, I've taken instructions, my lady, because his brother had access, so I got all that and put it in the affidavit. And my lady, when the advocates went, this is what I want to show you. I don't know if you have time today, my lady, but when the advocates went and they have all filed their 6 advocates were caught by the throat from outside the court, then dragged to an undisclosed location. They were not beaten, dragged there, kept in custody in some room for 5-6 hours and released in the night. Those affidavits are on record. This high-handedness of the UP police, my lord, we have not seen elsewhere, but this is what happened. So I want your ladyship to look at that and order a CBI investigation in respect of that. You may do it even little later if you're hard pressed for time. Today, I only want that I should not go again into the hands of these policemen.
You want their custody? You want their
And my lady, in half an hour, I'll take half an hour, in half an hour.
See, notice they have filed their additional affidavit also.
Yes, and I filed mine. Yes.
Satisfied by their presence here, they are satisfied with regard to the presence of the brother.
Yes, my lady, I'm grateful for that. Yes, my lady, they're safe.
Now, whatever legal recourse that you.
That is bail, my lady, that is separate. Bail is separate.
Now, the only thing is at this stage, you have not asked for any transfer of
Application, no?
that you have not asked. That is not your prayer.
No, there's an application before you, lady.
It's all right. Let them do their investigation now.
No, I'm not coming in. I will cooperate fully. You ask me anything, I'm duty bound to answer. I'll do all that. Yes.
Present, we are consider with regard to the transfer of the inquiry,
No.
investigation rather.
Yeah. Ma'am, in respect of the what incident took place, I'm not asking for the trial. I'm asking for the CBI to look into allegations of my torture. And if necessary, register an FIR and prosecute. Nothing to do with the agitation. Agitation, you do what you want. No problem. They'll do what they want.
Consider that also later. Right now.
Later is okay, my lady. Later is okay.
आप आगे आइए तो थोड़ा सा।
What is it?
आपका नाम क्या है? आप क्या बताएंगे? आप कब से हैं जेल में? अभी गौतम बुद्ध नगर जेल में।
29th of April.
जेल में कुछ दिक्कत है आपको?
जेल में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन इससे पहले मेरे साथ काफी मारपीट हुई है।
जेल में नहीं, पहले।
पीसीआर में भी गया था तो गाड़ी से खींच के, मतलब सुनसान जगह पे ले जाया गया था, गाड़ी से खींच के निकाला गया था।
ओके।
और जबरदस्ती वीडियो बनाया गया था, मारा पीटा गया, ऊपर से भी नीचे था।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
Where were you on that day in the incident happened? Where were you?
I was in Delhi.
In Delhi?
On 13th I was in Delhi and later I went to Tamil Nadu. From
No, on the date of that incident in Noida. Where were you on that day? Delhi?
No.
I came to Noida on 10th and 11th of April. मैं गया था क्योंकि we went to organize the workers. We even हमने वहाँ पर oath भी दिलवाया workers से that we want peaceful strike. Only peaceful strike is the way to get the.
What do you do for a living?
I am a software engineer.
See.
Or on weekend I used to go to lecture and teach kids. There is a library over there.
You are working.
I was
And the other person?
WhatsApp group.
Please. Please come forward. What do you do?
आगे आइए।
What do you do for a living?
मैं ऑटो चलाता हूँ और मैं अपने मोहल्ले के जैसे लोगों की मदद भी करता हूँ, जिस तरह की मदद करता हूँ। जब स्ट्राइक शुरू हुआ मेरे मोहल्ले
There was you in court from the insurance.
11 अप्रैल
date of incident.
अभी 150 से ज्यादा वर्कर्स जेल में उनमें से
Where was he on the date of incident? That
4 से 5 दिन दो वर्कर्स
On the
एक काम नहीं
test, they were
करते
there only.
what is the basis?
But that day you see what the situation was.
ये वायलेंस कैसे हुआ?
Violence कैसा हुआ इतना vehicles were burned.
The date
Can
of
you
the.
make the statement?
पहले ही पुलिस ने हमें उठाने की कोशिश की इनको
Let them very clear, very forward answer.
इन्होंने बिना किसी लेडी कांस्टेबल की ड्यूटी के साथ मारपीट की, कस्टोडियल वायलेंस किया। अगले दिन मेरे भाई को कोर्ट के बाहर से 6 वकील के साथ किडनैप किया। इनको जब किडनैप किया गया 12 नहीं बताया गया पुलिस ने कि ये कहाँ है, लड़कियां कहाँ है, तब तक इनके साथ भी मारपीट हुई। अगले दिन जब कोर्ट में वकील जा रहे थे इनके बेल के लिए, वकीलों को किडनैप कर लिया गया, मेरे भाई को किडनैप कर लिया गया एक बार। उसके बाद ये सारे 11 और 12 हुआ है। 13 को अचानक फिर से मैं दिल्ली चला जाता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे भी लगातार पुलिस खाने की कोशिश करती
On the
है।
date of
तो पूरा बात खाने की कोशिश
जिस दिन
करता
पैदा हुआ था,
13 को इससे हम लोग कह नहीं, उससे पहले ही वायलेंस हो जाता है और हमें अटैक
incident कब हुआ?
no, 13 were-
प्रकरण में
See, we are satisfied that these are the persons who, even he is
Yes.
identifying them, they have come. So what, we'll just keep this matter pending,
No,
let the judicial custody continue, and whatever reliefs you want to seek, you seek.
absolutely.
And any cooperation he wants, we will ensure that they will answer any question put to them. No problem at all. No non-cooperation.
चेन्स में लेकर आया जाता है, पीसीआर में आंख पे पट्टी बांध के ले जाया जाता है, पीटा जाता है। तो we are political prisoners. तो हमें वैसा
Sorry?
नहीं किया जाए।
He's saying that they brought in chains.
हमारे ठीक है, तो डेट
No, no,
बारे
no.
में नहीं बताया।
Raj, you want to say
No,
something?
no.
Don't treat the workers.
Yes,
like
yes, I am-
terrorists. They are not.
They are not workers actually by looking.
They are. They
They may be, yeah,
labor-
they are, I think, one is according to me.
activists. They are
yes.
labor activists. Let us put it this
Maybe
way.
labor activists,
Yes.
possible. I don't say that this one.
But instruct your officers.
Definitely, I will instruct the officers. If something has happened, definitely I will instruct the top.
Has to be. Has to be.
Every human being has to be treated with the dignity. That has to be, I will ensure that.
What we'll do is we'll say that pursuant to our order dated 15/5/2026, the brother of the petitioner, Aditya Anand and Rupesh Roy, have been produced before this court. We have heard learned senior counsel for the petitioner and learned ASTF and learned senior counsel for appearing for the respondent state of Uttar Pradesh. Pending further consideration of this matter, we direct that the judicial custody of the aforesaid 2 persons shall continue. The case will take its own course.
One second.
Yes.
Only clarify that for bail and all those things, I will go to the normal remedy. Yes.
Liberty is
So that the court doesn't think that is pending here.
The matter itself can be disposed of, nothing beyond that.
No, I
Can be done in the matter. Very well, I'll leave it to the court.
tendency of this writ petition would not, before this court would not come in the way of the
Parties.
aforesaid parties to seek appropriate relief in accordance with law.
Correct.
Nothing else we are saying now.
Yes, Nalini. That's all.
Okay.
Now, please remain, there's one more matter.
Very. And the
I'm grateful, Melody. I'm
contentions
grateful
may be left open up. Yes.
for the safety of.
So also have been produced.
Yes.
Leave open all the contentions of, yes.
See, please ask them to cooperate.
Full cooperation. Any complaint they have, tell me. I will ensure it's done. I only wanted their safety. I'm grateful for that.
Anything else will not pass an order now. Let
Yes.
it be, let the law take its course.
Yes, ma'am.
This is in 58, there is one more matter, I think
Please.
have been served with
No,
that.
we
I've not got the copy. but
We have served it.
Just now I got
10
the,
minutes back.
It's a writ
just can you give, let me see the copy. Madam,
Sir,
can you?
petition, water,
We'll
water.
serve, sir. We'll just,
Kisko diya?
Give a
Sir,
copy to them.
be Mr. Nagaraj. Online yourself?
For my FIR resolution, I didn't remote
Where
expert.
has
There
been-
is-
Lordship,
She is the,
wife of the detainee, Lordship.
he is detained.
He's detained. He was first detained
Satyam
in
Verma.
Satyam Verma, 62 years old, journalist, and works in a bookshop. He was picked up on 17th April in Lucknow,
Pending. So two.
not produced for 48 hours. He was first produced on the 19th, kept chained overnight in Noida. Since then, Lordship, there have been staggered arrests in different FIRs. So it's become a circle of arrests. But most recently, Lordship, they've invoked preventive detention orders against me on 12th May. And I wanted to show Lordship that detention order, the grounds against me, page 152 at 153. If Lordship will just have page 152 at 153.
District magistrates.
District Magistrate,
Why habeas corpus if he's in custody?
NSA Section 3, Subsection 2, Lordship.
Arrested.
But if Lordship will have,
This order is not in challenge. Detention order is not in challenge.
Lordship, we have challenged it.
I'm told already have filed a
No, no, no.
habeas
that
corpus.
is-
I'm subject to
I will
correction, subject to
clarify.
correction because I have not seen the paper.
No, no, I will
Subject to
clarify.
correction, I'm told just now orally I got instruction that has filed on habeas corpus before the Uttar Pradesh High Court. It's pending, I'm told.
Lordship, I will clarify that. When I was picked up on the 17th, not produced for 48 hours, I moved the habeas corpus writ in the High Court of Lucknow. I was told to withdraw it and go to Allahabad High Court because he was in Noida by then. After that, it's pending before the Honorable Allahabad High Court. It's not been taken up.
You pursue that.
That is only with respect to the 17th detention. But Lordship will look at page 153 once. Page 153, para 3.
No, that is, the prayer C is the same thing.
No, Lordship. No, Lordship. Prayer 3 is not the same thing, Lordship. I have brought copies of the habeas corpus prayer.
2026.
That is the NSA, Lordship. That is the detention order, which is at page 152. The habeas corpus writ I'm supplying, Lordship. The prayers are only with respect to the 17th detention. 17th April, and this is 12th May.
The one is the preventive detention.
You have to give this to the court.
That means we'll have to ask them where exactly he is lodged.
He's in, according to the detention order, he's in Gautam Budh Nagar jail, Lordship. But Lordship, I'm trying to make a wider point
Then
here.
This corpus doesn't serve your purpose
It
now.
doesn't,
You
Lordship.
know where he is. There is a, you see, detention order and you know where he is.
Lordship, I have now, since then, much has happened. I've been arrested in 3 FIRs, plus 1 preventive detention order while I'm already in jail. But Lordship, I just wanted to show para 3 at page 153. Because that is the crux of my grievance.
Kindly read.
Yes, Lordship. Because of this violent movement, strong circumstances have been created for the extremely adverse impact on the future capital investment in the important sector of IT and hosiery in the state. Currently, capital investment of more than 1 lakh crore rupees is there in more than 21,000 industrial units in Gautam Budh Nagar, in which more than 6 lakh employment is generated. This includes both Swadeshi as well as foreign companies. Because of industrial unrest and violent atmosphere, adverse impact has happened in the atmosphere of industrial progress, which is the reason for the generation of fear, terror, and panic among the industry planners and investors. No mention about the workers, no mention about living wages. It is because of the disgusting ideology of the illogical and stubborn, violent Andolan GV persons like you, who with their extreme activeness are the decisive planners of such circumstances, creating public unrest and actively create industrial unrest in Haryana's Manesar industrial area and Noida. Besides, violent circumstances are created by creating the condition of revolt among the minds of industrial laborers through the narrative making through mass communication with aim to provoking labor class and general public by creating anti-state anti-administration thinking with the motive of disturbing public tranquility. Lordship, I'm an Andolan GV
They say that through my ideology, I keep provoking unrest. Lordships will then have the following page, page 160. Page 160.
No, that day,
I was not
the
there.
protest for wages was supposed to be a peaceful protest.
It was, and I was
But
not
then
even
there
there.
was violence.
There was, but they haven't
Vehicles were
said,
burnt.
Lordship, but the presumption always is that it's the worker who's committing the violence. We are saying we didn't do it. There are allegations that they were agent provocateurs. They haven't examined that. 160, Lordship, page 160. I'm reading from the bottom, maybe the 15th line. Baba Thoke and Dhananjay,
Yes.
who are associated with RWPI, were found active in Gaza protest and protest demonstrations against LPG supplies, Samvidhan Chowk and Mankhurd. Currently, this organization is running a campaign against labor codes.
FIRs. What have you done about the FIRs which are against you?
Lordship, I've filed for bail. We moved bail. It's pending before the.
In respect of prayer B. All the FIRs in prayer B.
Yes, Lordship.
Then prayer C. Have you challenged this detention order?
In this Lordship. This is before Lordship here.
The 3-2 of the NSA.
Lordship, NSA is invoked while I'm already in custody in 3 FIRs. And then these are the grounds.
You can seek whatever relief you are entitled to before the criminal courts.
Lordship, I'm
As
on a broader point.
All right. You have not approached before the Allahabad bench, Allahabad High Court.
Yes,
In
Lord.
respect of B and C prayers, have you sought anything there?
We have not, Lordship, not yet.
It should be in only one forum.
Correct.
Lordship, that is a habeas corpus.
So that is closed.
That is, I mean, that has not been taken
Now
up.
you know
But
where
Lordship,
he's lodged, you know.
Lordship, but the illegal
on
detention, the
question
first,
of whether this 12/5/2026 detention, whether it is
Lordship,
valid or not, you want to challenge
but I also have a broader prayer, Lordship.
What is that broader prayer?
Which is, Lordships are saying, pursue your remedies, which we will, individual remedies. But the broader remedy, the first reaction to any protest action
Same frame number.
is to treat it as a precursor of violence without examining the context. Why is the assumption that the workers did it? They have done no inquiry. The first set of FIRs, multiple FIRs, and then I'm arrested in a staggered way in multiple FIRs.
That day, where were you?
Lucknow. I was in Lucknow. My dissenting articles and my readings, they have mentioned the books that I read at page 162, if Lordship will have page 162.
You're a journalist.
I'm a journalist. They are saying that you read.
Your father was a professor.
Lordship, yes. They're saying I read books like Dialectical Materialism and I write articles in support of labor. That is the ground against me. And that is how the FIRs have been framed, Lordship. I mean, the process will become a punishment.
As of now, we can't grant any interim relief because he is already lodged. Validity of the detention order has to be seen. We'll issue notice in this.
Lordship may issue notice.
I'll look into
but-
that. Yes, before that, just let me point out two things subject to
Say,
factual,
notice
yes,
to the respondent
subject to factual aspect.
Lordship, yes. But
that,
also-
for the
also on merging of the FIRs, Lordship.
no, whatever
see,
the
today we are
current counsel-
Lordship, I'm
current counsel for the respondent.
Ruchira.
Miss Ruchira Goyal accepts notice. So this is state, respondent state. Who are the others? They are the other authorities. DM.
All can be by the state.
So respondent
Okay.
1 to 4.
By UP.
1 to 4.
Ms. Goel, you can accept.
Yes,
One to
all.
four.
Union of India is also
Just one clarification, subject, just
5
one,
and 6, CBI and Union of
yes,
India.
yes.
Your
Union,
finger will accept.
union, central agency, I'll make a.
Petitioner's counsel is permitted to serve the central agency insofar as R6 is concerned. CBI will not. Notice to R5 is dispensed with for the present.
Yes, before that,
R5 is CBI.
CBI, yes.
No, we are not issuing.
Yeah, before that, in respect, I'm told in respect to the very same crime number, a matter had come up before the Hon'ble Court and that has been disposed of by saying,
Sir, go to the
go to High Court, and the entire issue can be worked out before the High Court instead of,
Sir,
because
go to
one,
High Court.
Detention order. we
I
have-
know.
that is the one.
May clarify
Early
that
now?
the FIR.
Akriti Chaudhary.
Yes.
happened.
We have sent her.
Disposed of by saying that let everything be worked out before the High Court. So now one matter will be pending before the High Court.
Here we have detention order we have.
Then Madam may clarify.
May clarify that.
I think the prayer there was for bail, Lordship, and Lordship's
bail.
was for bail. Because at that time,
Because that.
NSA had not been
May
in.
clarify in respect of the particular
Only
prayer.
Particular prayer of detention.
Because otherwise there will be multiple
Because in FIR
forums,
also challenge.
one before the other forum and later they will take.
Yeah.
No, no, my lady, I appear for Akriti.
Prayer B and C is against this person,
Yes, but B is a
the
FIR.
petitioner's husband.
These FIR which has to be worked out there.
In a 482.
482 or 226 has to work out before in respect of FIR.
Yes.
We are not challenging the FIR, we are asking for merger, clubbing.
Clubbing or consolidation.
Because there are 14 with
Right now,
the
we'll